Today, we need more than ever the excellence in our way of life. In this journey, we will discover the traditional craftsmanship in many fields, such as art, jewelry, hospitality, architecture on a human scale, traditional cuisine and nutrition, bookbinding, tailoring, shoe crafting, and many more. We begin our journey in the city of Florence, world famous for its museums and masterpieces by some of the most revered artists of all times, the birthplace and the artistic capital of the Renaissance, that has become a major cultural, commercial, political, and financial center. We will explore in the back streets, ancient crafts still carried out traditionally by maestros of today, and thanks to their technical skills, Florence has become a powerful trading place for high-quality products. Without them, most of these crafts would not have continued to exist today. And thanks to their technical skills, Florence became a powerful trading place for high-quality products. ARIS presents Manina handmade excellent shoes. The Manina workshop of quality shoes was founded in the heart of the historic center of Florence, just a few steps from the Ponte Vecchio, in 1953 by Maestro Calogero Manina, who founded his business in his craftsman's workshop, where he designed and fashioned his shoes, unique models originating from the passion of fine quality, handcrafted work. Let's meet Giovanni, the head craftsman, that we guide us in the historic workshop.
Hello and welcome to Manina Shoe Workshop in Florence. I am Giovanni, I am one of the shoemaker of this company, and this is an historical workshop in Florence, and we make shoes completely by hand.
The workshop has successfully kept a pace with the changes in fashion, without sacrificing its exceptionally high quality and keeping the original style. Despite the passing years, Manina's Creations has maintained its traditional style, and this is why it is instantly recognizable, originality and quality, to meet the spectrum of needs and desires expressed by its customers. Maestro Mannina's clients are not just luxury lovers. There are three main kinds of people who order custom shoes: those who want something original and made to order, those who focus on great quality, and those that have difficult feet.
This is a pair of shoes that we have already finished for a customer. So it's a classic Oxford with a combination of color and leather. The cap toe and this part here are in smooth calfskin, but the green part is in deer skin. It's very softly, very fresh. And this is made completely here by hand.
The Manina shoes are a symbol of a long tradition. Florence, in fact, gave light to Italian fashion, but above all to luxury leather goods, always remaining a leader in the manufacture of leather accessories. Thanks to the great competence and quality our artisanal production has evolved, our Italian shoes were to be worn until today by the international public.
Here we take the measurement of the feet, and for sure both feet, because sometimes one foot is more wider or more longer, and we take the print of the feet to see the point of pressure, if customer have a high arch or flat feet, the point of pressure. And with all these measurements we make a mold. So we do the adjustment. For example, in that case, we have removed from the original last, because the last was a little too big for this customer. So now is more small. Also here, we do the right adjustment. And this is a perfect copy of the foot of this customer. And once we have the mold, the customer can order the shoes that he wants. For example, here we have a lot of sample. We can make these shoes in the same color, same style. This is a very classic Italian shoes, but sometimes people, if they want to change the color, change the leather, they can choose all the color, anything.
Only those who create can know that sense of satisfaction, of absolute joy that we feel every time one of our shoes meets us again, with those little signs that make the lives of others full, and therefore unique like the one who wears it. We love our work and what is born from it, and so we enter your lives believing in elegance as the language of beauty, and we accompany ourselves with it.
About the style, this customer have ordered this kind of shoes. Is a model with a double buckle. He chose a silver buckle and a calfskin in brandy color, and also you can choose the thickness of the bottom if they want a little more flexible or more strong, and some decoration on the bottom. For example, here we have some charts. These leather are all from Italy. We have a lot of tannery near Florence, so we have the possibility to have first choice of leather. These are smooth calfskin, but we have also the suede, and these leather are available in all the colors. This is one of our shoes, and we have opened it to show how it is inside. So all the interior are in leather, in a vegetable tan, so we don't have here any chemical product. For example, here between the back and in the front, between the upper and the lining, there are some reinforcement, and these are completely leather. So in our shoes, we don't have cardboard, we don't have any synthetic material. Also, the heel is made in different layer of leather. We have just a metal support in the arch, and this is like a structure for the shoes. This is the bottom, is in real leather, and is opened here all around, so we can do the stitch with a strong thread. So the bottom is stitched with the upper with the strong stitch. And this is a shoes that can last for many years. And to make a pair of shoes like this in this way is necessary to put a lot of effort and work minimum 10 days. This is the table where that we use to create a pair of shoes, and on this table we can find a lot of tools. Some tools are very old because now nobody make this. For example, a tool like that is like a wheel, and we can do with this like the segmented here on the welt, and any of these tool must be used when are warmed on fire.
Collegiero Manina handed down his passion and his skill to his son, Antonio, who has carried on the family business, lending a touch of elegance and distinctiveness with his work in the retail shop in Florence. Let's meet Antonio Manina at his showroom, which is nearby the workshop.
Buonasera, hello. Welcome in our showroom, please. Manina is the surname. It is my father started in 1942. Calogero. Grazie, thank you, ARIS, in our showroom. Thank you very much.